How to use Ecofoam Fill 'em Up. For this demonstration, we prepared a substrate with gap. Don't forget the water spray. Remove the cap and shake for at least 20 seconds. Attach the adapter into the nozzle and make sure it's securely locked. Always spray water onto the substrate for excellent adhesion. Fill the gap with 50% foam. Repeat the same process and fill the hole with 50% foam. Ecofoam Fill 'em Up. Best for filling gaps, cracks, and holes. Contact us for more information.